Why does your scanner show the P07A3 engine code? And what does it mean? The P07A3 engine error code stands for the transmission friction element A stuck on. The P07A3 indicates that the vehicle's computer has detected that a specific friction element within the transmission, labeled as A, is not disengaging properly, often relating to a clutch issue that isn't releasing fully when shifting gears. This usually requires professional diagnosis and repair. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty pump, low or dirty fluid, bad solenoid, wiring issues, transmission failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. The P07A3 engine code typically appears in vehicles with an OBD2 system, most commonly in Ford Focus models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.